Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.9. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a loss of 8.63% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 1.23% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 12.51% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 11.31% to 33.52%. Examining the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 44.04%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 20.76% to 296.05% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $12.27 and $40.24. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price up 2.32% on Wednesday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price gained 2.32% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 4th of June, 2025, rising from $9.93 to $10.16. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.14%, with a day low at $9.72 and a day high of $10.22. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 1.91% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 5 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 30 million shares bought and sold for approximately $309,650,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $24.98, and the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 59.33%, or $14.82, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, has recently garnered significant attention due to promising developments in the in-car voice commerce sector. A study commissioned by the company indicates a strong consumer appetite for these services, projecting a potential revenue boost of $35 billion annually for automakers willing to embrace this technology. Such insights could enhance investor sentiment in the short term, positively influencing SOUN's stock price. Additionally, the recent recommendations from AI analysis tools highlight SOUN as a rising star in the AI sector, suggesting it possesses the potential to generate considerable long-term returns. This growing interest among investors could lead to heightened trading activity, contributing to volatility and potential price appreciation in the near term. However, there are mixed opinions about the stock's prospects. While some analysts highlight its technology partnerships and a revenue backlog of $1.2 billion as indicators of strong growth potential, others caution about the overall market performance, citing underwhelming returns since its market debut. Moving forward, SoundHound's ability to maintain momentum, manage its partnerships, and capitalize on emerging opportunities in voice commerce will be critical. A favorable performance in these areas could sustain upward momentum, enhancing investor confidence and boosting SOUN's stock price over time. Analyst ratings on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $10.40. If the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $9.66. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally seen as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and so far the stock has decreased by 8.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 77 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 63 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated identifies support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 500 cents between its high and low, or 5.14%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profitability and a higher risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.06. It's vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $9.74. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI, based on multiple analyst sources, is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Diana Sroka conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Lawrence Marcus also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Eric R. Ball made an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Stonehawker conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of minus 10.149. In total, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.52, reflecting a decrease of 6.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with an overall positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by approximately 13 cents and begin trading at $10.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.